Hello, thank you for joining me today. The question here says find the length of the major arc AB below. So this is the minor arc and this is the major arc. This is the major arc. Now we are given the angle for the minor arc, which is 80 degrees. So we now need to find the angle of the major arc, which is this side. So how do we do that? Sum of angle at a point is 360. So the whole of this angle around this point here is 360. So if this part is 280, it's already 80, then to get this remaining part, we say 360. 360 minus 80. And that will give us 280 degrees. So that means this angle here is 280 degrees. So we can now use this angle for the major arc to find the length of this arc. And the formula to find the length of arc is given by theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So this is the formula to find the length of an arc. Now, let's substitute in values here. So the theta is the angle of that arc, that the arc subtends at the center. And that angle is 280. So we are going to say 280 over 360. Then multiply by 2 pi r. 2 times the value of pi as given to us here is 22 over 7. So we say multiply by 22 over 7 and then multiply by the radius. The radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. So we say multiply by 21. Now let's see how we can divide some parts so that we can break it down to the lowest possible division. So if you look at this 0 can cancel this 0 here. Then I have 7 in 7 is 1. 7 in 28 is 4. Then here 3 in 21 is 7 times. And then 3 in 36 is 12. 4 in 4 is 1. And 4 in 12 is 3 times. So with this now, what we have left in the numerator is 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 7. So I have 2 times 22 times 7, all divided by, what I have left in the denominator is only this 3 here, all divided by 3. And then by the time we take our calculator and divide that, we are going to get the length of the arc as 102.7 centimeters. So this is the length of the major arc. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that others can learn from it. And don't forget to join me in my next video. Thank you for watching.